Vincent Regani here with Flat Screen Clean. Okay, so I'm here tonight. It's a little bit after 11 o'clock, May 16th, and here I am. I'm going to do a live demo. So as you know, Flat Screen Clean is your one-stop shop all-in-one flat and touchscreen cleaning product. It's both alcohol and ammonia free. That means you no longer have to have multiple cleaners for all your devices, just one, and it's made from all natural ingredients. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, and we provide you all the tools needed to ensure your satisfaction. It'll clean to the extreme, from chicken wings to hand cream and everything in between. It even removes permanent marker. So what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to give you the extreme demo. So here we go. So what I did was I already mucked up the screen, and this is all the stuff that I put on the screen. All this stuff right here. So I'll go down the list for you. So I put Nutella, peanut butter, Hershey syrup, ketchup, mustard, barbecue sauce, Italian dressing, butter, kids paint, which is brown, purple, orange, and white, lipstick, and lip gloss. And now permanent marker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a better view on what you can see here. So I'm going to shut it off. There we go. Now I'm going to pull out the permanent marker, Sharpie, and I'm going to put a little mark right about there. And I'm going to let that dry. So, like I said, I'm a professional house cleaner by trade. I messed up one of my customers' TVs one day using a name brand cleaner, streaks all over, and I came up with a solution, Flat Screen Clean. And we're the only screen cleaner out on the market that does these extreme demonstrations. So, here we go. I'm going to show you that you can hear that? That's dry. This is the kids' paint. This is the butter. There's your permanent marker, lipstick, more kids' paint. Okay, so with our 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel, simply shake, spray, and wipe, and repeat if necessary. So here we go. And then I'll get into what you get and the price after I'm done cleaning the screen. So as you can see, it missed onto the screen. We designed it so it missed on the screen so it will not run. So we're the only screen cleaner out on the market that does these extreme demonstrations with food. And I'm saying, you're probably wondering, why is he doing it with food? Well, being in the cleaning industry, you'd be surprised on what we come across, what's on TVs. And unfortunately, our children sometimes put things on the TV that we really don't want it to be on. Those of you who have kids probably have fingerprints all down at the bottom of the screen here. So I tested Flat Screen Clean on over 20,000 units to date, which I call that real time, real dirt, and real results. So we like to put a face with our product also. That's me, Vincent Regani. And as you can see, I got the permanent marker. And now I'm just going to touch it up and clean it up some here, because I did put a lot of stuff on that screen. So Flat Screen Clean is an award-winning cleaner. So if you have a curved TV out there, Flat Screen Clean will definitely clean it. Pardon me for having my back turned to you, but I want to get this done, do the job right. And there we go. And it's not clean, it's Flat Screen Clean. So I'll get into what you get and the price. So what I used tonight was the 8-ounce bottle of Flat Screen Clean, plus the 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel. Now, what you get in the price, you get the 8-ounce bottle, you get the 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel, you get the insert card with all the directions and all the info that you can get in contact with us. Our phone number is out there on Amazon, and you can definitely get in contact with us. And you get the bag that it comes in. Now the bag's a key component because what the bag does is it keeps this towel clean. So you don't want to get it cross-contaminated. Being in the cleaning industry, it's very easy to contaminate towels. So we want to keep our flat and our touchscreen devices clean, especially our TVs. So put the towel in the bag and you're going to be good to go. So $14.95 plus free shipping. Yes, free shipping. Not only for Prime members, for everybody. Everybody gets free shipping. And I tell you what, also, if you order our 8-ounce bottle for $14.95 plus free shipping, guess what? You're going to get an additional $1 off. That's a really good deal. All right. So then we have our 4-ounce bottle of flat screen clean. Well, what do you get with that? You get the 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel again. Then you get the insert card. You can take this and tuck this away. And also you get the bag. Obviously you want to keep the towel clean. That's the only way you can keep it clean is to keep it in the bag. So we sell this one for $12.95 plus shipping and handling. Then we have our 2-ounce bottle for your travel needs. Now the 2-ounce bottle comes with a medium-sized super blue microfiber towel. The medium-sized microfiber towel, the super blue microfiber towel, is a 12 by 12. So you get this for $8.95 plus shipping and handling. And then we also sell the mini super blue microfiber towel, which is $1.95 plus shipping and handling. What's this used for? Your glasses. You're definitely going to want to use flat screen clean on your glasses, and you're definitely going to see the world in a different perspective, definitely, because it's going to be extremely clean. So I tell you what, we also got a great deal going on Amazon, and that is if you buy, say you want to buy not the 8-ounce bottle, but say you want to buy the 4-ounce bottle. And then you get the super blue microfiber towel, the 16 by 16. And you want to buy the travel size. And then you get the 12 by 12. Any orders over $20 or more, free shipping. You don't have to be a Prime member to get free shipping. Flat Screen Clean is here to meet your needs in keeping your screens clean. And that's what we do. Now you're probably wondering, oh, he's out of stock. No, we're not out of stock. That's why I posted that. We are not out of stock. Amazon is definitely working on that for us to fix that. So, if you like what you see, act now and order yours today. Now, Flat Screen Clean is not only it's not a one-dimensional screen cleaner. And what I mean by that is Flat Screen Clean is designed to clean the screen itself, but it's also designed to clean the entire unit. Because let's face it, not only do the screens get dirty, but the backs can get pretty gross too. And you know what? That's what we are doing. We are cleaning the entire unit. So that we're not one-dimensional. So, if you like what you see, act now and order yours today. Check out our store. You will not be disappointed. We ship, the majority of the time we ship priority mail, United States Postal Service. Sometimes we do ship UPS. So if you order tonight, we can have it out to you tomorrow and you'll have it in 2 days. Coming into the weekend, you might get it maybe on Tuesday. Or if not sooner, if you order in Pennsylvania, you'll get it 1-day shipping. So if you like what you see, act now and orders today. And thank you for joining me tonight. And have a great evening.